case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The trial of Joseph Collins, former outside counsel for Refco Inc., recently culminated with a decision by the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit. Accused of aiding Refco executives in concealing intercompany debt through a series of timed short-term financings, Collins's convictions included charges of conspiracy, securities fraud, false filings with the Securities and Exchange Commission, and wire fraud. The prosecution argued that Collins was involved in a deceptive scheme to obscure the debt during a 2004 leveraged buyout and a 2005 initial public offering. While Collins maintained his non-awareness of the fraudulent activities, strong evidentiary support by the government, including Collins's legal opinion on intercompany debt and details of a $1.1 billion debt revealed by another lawyer, suggested otherwise. At the close of the initial trial at the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York, Collins was found guilty and sentenced to 1 year imprisonment plus an extra day. Following his conviction, Collins challenged the district court's decision to exclude the opinion testimony of 2 fellow legal practitioners. He also questioned the delivery of a certain jury instruction concerning conscious avoidance. The United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit, while reviewing the legal challenge, found no manifest error in the lower court's decisions. It upheld the exclusion of the lawyer's testimony on the grounds that it was not helpful to the jurors and that fact witnesses were adequate for the defense. The evidence presented was deemed solid enough to warrant a conscious avoidance charge against Collins. This term applies when the element of knowledge is under contention, and evidence suggests that the defendant was aware of a high probability of disputed facts, but consciously avoided validation. The court held that evidence pointing to a high degree of suspicious activity often demonstrates actual knowledge. After a rigorous review, the appellate court affirmed the judgment of the district court, meaning that Collins's year-long sentence was upheld. The court found no merit in Collins's remaining arguments. The case reaffirms the importance of transparency in legal and financial conduct and serves as a future deterrent for similar attempts to circumvent the law.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.